Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of operating system. In today's session, we are going to continue with the topic Unix or Linux operating system. Myself Kunal Panchal, your instructor. In this particular session, we are going to discuss the remaining Linux commands. The first command is cat command. So with the help of cat command, first of all, what is the full form of cat command, and then we'll discuss what we can do with the help of cat command. So cat is nothing but concatenate. So with the help of this command, okay, how we can use cat. This command is used in short form cat. Okay, cat. So with the help of this command, we can create a file. We can append the content in existing file, and we can display the content of file as well. So three operations we can perform with the help of cat command. So let us discuss each one. So you can see in this particular snapshot the first row in which I have used cat. Then one special operator I have used, that is nothing but output redirectional operator. Then I have used file name, file3. So it means what? I am going with the help of this command, with this option, I am going to create one file which is nothing but file3. And while creating a file, simultaneously I need to insert something in that file. So cat output redirectional operator, then file name. Then once you press enter, it will ask you to enter certain content or case a text that you want to insert in this particular file. So I have mentioned cat command demonstration, that is my text in the file 3. Okay, so that I have mentioned, and once you mention the content, then you need to press Ctrl D on the keyboard. It means Ctrl D is nothing but save and exit. Okay, now once you do these things, now if you want to see the content of this file, what we can do is you need to use one more operator, which is nothing but input redirectional operator. This less than sign, second statement, cat less than file3. It means what? It is not actually less than, it is nothing but one special type of operator which is nothing but input redirectional operator, through which we can see the content of file. So cat input redirectional operator file name, then it will show me the same content that I have already created earlier. Okay, same way if you don't want to use this operator, and you simply use cat space file name, you will have the same output at the end. Okay, one more thing we can do with the help of cat command, as I told you, we can append the content in existing file. Fine. So what we need to do is, in that case, one more operator I need to use. It is nothing but append redirectional operator. So cat append redirectional operator means what? Two greater than sign we need to use, then file name. So it means what? You can whatever you want to add in this particular file, you can add it in this case. So I need to mention cat is going on. Okay, this text I have mentioned, and then I will press Ctrl D once again. It means what? Save and exit. And then again I will see the content of this file with the help of cat space file 3. It will show me the content of previously inserted in file 3 as well as recently inserted file in file 3. Both the content will be displayed, or because both the content is appended in the same file. So cat command demonstration was inserted earlier, and the cat is going on, that sentence is recently inserted with the help of append redirectional operator. So with the help of cat command, you can do such type of operation. So I hope it was clear to you as far as cat command is concerned. Now we are going to discuss the next command. But one more option we have, with the help of cat command is what? -n. Means it will -n represents number of line number. Okay, it will show the line number if you use this option cat -n then file name. So you can see 1 and 2 is nothing but the line number that is represented with the help of -n option. Same way, if you want to append something in this particular file, okay, so what you can do is you need to use append redirectional operator, and I have used, I have inserted 2 dashed lines and 2 blank lines. You can see 2 dashed lines, okay, and third and fourth rows are blank. These 4 rows I have added or appended in this particular file, and then I need to see the content of this file with the help of cat space file name. It will show me the text as well as whatever the content we have recently inserted. Okay, it is displayed over here. Now if I need to display again the line number of each and every row that I have, even though it do not contain any text, so that row would be represented in terms with the help of one line number. So you can see the first row contains text, second row contains text, third row contains dotted line, fourth row contains dotted line, fifth and sixth is nothing but empty rows. Still, that is reserved and it represents line numbers. And if you don't want to assign line numbers because it do not contain, fifth and sixth row do not contain any text, so if you want to omit these things, just if you want to omit the line numbers, you can go for -b option, but the reserved content or reserved memory area would be same. Okay, so cat -b you can use, so fifth and sixth numbering would be removed from this file. Okay, so this is all about cat command. Now one more command we have, touch. With the help of touch command you can create the empty files. So touch space file name, it is very simple, syntax is very simple, fine, and you can fire ls. You can see the file 7 is empty file is created successfully. You can see in the list file 7 is there. Okay, same way, if you with the help of touch command, if you want to create multiple files, so what you need to do is touch space file number 1, file space file number 2, space file number 3. You can add number of files, and simultaneously you can create that empty files with the help of single command. Okay, so this is all about touch. Next is ls. This is again a powerful command we have in Linux. ls stands for list. Okay, so once you simply press ls, it means what it will show me right now the number of directories and number of files. So the files are represented in white color, and the directories are represented in terms of blue color. Fine. So the blue colors represents directory, and white color represents normal file or script file. Okay. Now second option we have with the help of ls command is ls-a. If you use -a, it means what? It will it will show the list of existing directory. Right now we are in kernel directory. Fine. So whatever the content we have in kernel directory, it will show. Okay, so with the help of ls command. But once you use ls-a, it means what? Not only ordinary files, ordinary directory, but also it will show the hidden directories and hidden files as well with the help of -a option. Same way, ls-F, it means what? It will denote the directory with the help of slash, so that you can come to know that this the name which is ended with the slash, that is nothing but directory, not a file. Fine. One more option we have, ls-l. L stands for long lasting format. L stands for what? Long lasting format. Means once you fire this, whatever the directories and files we have in kernel directory, so that will be displayed in described manner. How? So total 14 means what? 44 blocks are required to store this set of files and directories, and you have to observe the first row. Like say for example, you have to observe the desktop directory that I have, desktop directory row that you have to observe, because it represents various things. So that syntax you have to understand. So you can see in the second row, in output, second row represents first character D. D stands for what? Directory. Then RWX. The second, third and fourth character is what? RWX means what? It shows the file permission, okay, of a owner or case a user. Then second R-X is represents the file permission of the group of users, and third R-X represents the file permission of other users, and 2 represents means what? This directory is linked with other 2. Okay, so there are 2 links we have, or case 2, whether this directory can be linked with any file or case to any other directory. So 2 means what? It gives the information about linking. Okay, then Krunal means nothing but owner of this, or case owner of this file, then or directory. It is not a file, it is directory. Fine. So second Krunal is nothing but group of users. Okay, then 4096 means what? The size of this particular directory in terms of bytes. Okay, then June 27 935 means what? It shows the timestamp on which particular date and time this directory was created, so that it's showing. Okay, then you can see the 6th row in the output, file 1 is there. So if we have file, it means what? It will be displayed in terms of white color. And one more identification of file is what? The first character will be displayed in terms of hyphen, not in terms of D. When you find D, it means what? It is directory, and when you find hyphen, it is nothing but file, normal file. Okay. Then another option we have with the help of ls command is nothing but you can use simply ls. So it means what? It will show the current directory information. Now second option is second command is change directory, cd. Cd stands for what? Change directory. So cd, if you want to enter into a particular directory, so cd space dir1. dir1 means what? Directory 1 that I have already created. So I need to enter into a directory 1. So I need to fire this cd space dir1. Now once I entered into a dir1, you can see the dollar symbol represents what? Right now we are in user mode. Okay. So now again I need to fire ls. So it means what? Whatever the content we have. So there are 2 files, file 1 and file 2 in directory number 1. Fine. Okay. Now what I need to do is, now I need to introduce one more command called copy command. So copy command is used with the help of short form CP. CP stands for copy. So if I want to do a copy paste operation, so what I will do, so CP, I will use CP space. First of all, I need to mention the source file name. So I need to copy this file 1, which is there in the directory 1, needs to be copied into the same directory with another file name called file 3. So CP space source file name space destination file name. So CP space file 1 space file 3. It means once you execute this command, and afterwards you need to fire the ls, you need to check whether this file is the content of this file, source file is copied into the destination or not, or we can say destination file is created or not. So that for that you need to fire the ls command. So yes, you can see file 3 is there. So file 3 is created, but I need to check one more thing. whether the content of file 1 is copied into a file 3 or not. So I will fire first of all cat space file 3. So cat space file 3 contains welcome, and same way cat space file 1 contain the same information welcome. So it means what? Yes, the cp command is successfully executed. Okay, next, one more option we have. Suppose if you want to do the copy paste operation. Earlier we have seen the copy paste operation we have done within the same directory. Now if I want to do a copy paste operation in two different directory, what I need to do is, so again we have three files, file 1, 2 and 3, cp -r, then what I need to do is file 3 -r is nothing but recursive option we have. So cp -r, then file 3. So file 3 is nothing but my source file, and this file I need to copy to some particular location. So file 3, then I need to mention the destination directory path. So what I need to do is cp space -r space source file name, then space, then the destination information /home /kernel. Home is the home directory, kernel is nothing but subdirectory of home, and then directory 2 is nothing but subdirectory of kernel. Okay, so I need to copy this file 3 into the directory 2. Right now this file 3 is located into a directory 1. Fine. So once you fire this command, and you need to change the directory first. So cd space dot dot. With the help of this option you can change the directory. You can go one level up. So once you fire that command, you can see, and again you need to enter into a directory 2, because you need to check whether file 3 is copied into directory 2 or not. So cd space directory 2. So again you need to fire ls command. So once you fire ls command, you will have file 3. You can see it is highlighted. Yes, highlighted portion denotes what? File 3. So file 3 is copied over here in directory number 2. So in this way copy paste operation can be performed in Linux. Okay, now suppose if you want to change the directory, as I told you, cd command is there, change directory 3. Fine, then you can use ls command. If you want to go to one level up, so you need to use cd space dot dot. So you will go to one level up. Okay, and in say for example directory 1 will have one file called file 1. Okay, so in particular directory 1 we have one file 1 right now, and I need to introduce one more command. In this case, move command, mv stands for what? Move command. So cut paste operation, not copy paste operation. So mv space file name. File 1 is nothing but my source file name, and file 3 is nothing but my destination file name. So with the help of this command we can do the cut paste operation. So means what? In this case, existence of file 1 would be lost once this command is successfully executed, and whatever the content will be copied in the file number 3. So you can fire the ls command. You can see file 1 was destroyed, and the content of file 1 was copied into the file number 3. So in this way you can use this move command. One more option we have with the help of move command. Suppose if you want to move one file from one directory to another directory, so what I need to do is, again first of all I need to change the directory, because right now I am directory 1. So if I want to go one level up, so cd space dot dot. Okay, once you fire that command, then if I want to see the present working directory, or we say print working directory, or current working directory, you can say there is one command in Linux called pwd. Pwd stands for what? Print working directory. So once you fire this command, it will show in which directory you are working. Fine. So home/kernel is nothing but your present working directory. Okay. Now I need to use. I am in kernel directory, so now I need to use move command mv space. Now I need to mention the source path. Then I need to mention the destination path. So /home/kernel/directory1, in which I have one file 3 that I have already cut paste in this particular directory1 file 3. So that is the source address. Now the destination address is what? Space /home/kernel/directory2. Directory2 means what? In this particular directory I need to move this file 3. Okay, so once this command is successfully executed, I need to go to a directory1 first. Whether I need to check, is there any file 3 in this particular directory or not. So you can see directory, once you enter into directory and once you fire ls, it doesn't show anything to me. So it means what? Yes, the file 3 is moved from this particular location. Now I need to check whether this file is pasted in this particular in the destination location or not. So again I need to change the directory and go to directory number 2, and then I need to fire the ls command. Yes, where I can see the file number 3. So it means what? By using this syntax, you can do the cut paste operation if you want to do the cut paste operation into 2 different directories by accessing 2 different directories. Fine. So this is all about different commands of Linux. I hope it was clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.